Good morning, rainy morning, but I went to the farmer's market and went to the soap shop and I didn't buy any vegetables at all.
I don't have. You like my soap?
Yes, I do. Thank you so much for inviting me in to see your shop.
Yes.
This is all natural, so I'm just so happy I got that color. After the farmer's market, I went to Trader Joe's and bought some vegetables, and I'll let you know what I'm going to do later. But I'm going to pick some holy basil to make lunch, and I'm going to make a Thai dish that's called pat kapao, but with beef. So yeah, let's just make a quick stir-fried of garlic mashed with chilies, and then put ground beef I seasoned with oyster sauce, soy sauce, and yeah, sugar. And then I just kind of in one pan I fried the egg in there, and yeah, I almost forgot to put the holy basil leaves in there. So just stir fry some more and season it the way you like it, like more soy sauce, fish sauce, or just eat it how it is. Look at that runny yolk, yummy. Yeah, I just took a platter of vegetables and see where I'm gonna go with it. I think I'm gonna start with the zucchinis. So I'm gonna use the thickest one, the thickest blade here, and just spiral away. I don't peel the zucchini. It really you don't need to with the peel. With the zucchini noodles, I'm gonna make a lemon garlicky pasta noodles with grilled chicken or pan-seared chicken, and just have it with that as dinner. So I have the top and the end, so I'm gonna clip the top off. I'm gonna slice the top off and the end off. And I'm gonna use the end to the thickest setting, the thickest spiral. With cutting the top off, it really gives a good grip to really get all of the noodles out, and that means less waste from the zucchini tops, but you can still use it as in soups or stir fry. Look at all the zucchini noodles we have. I'm gonna make a quick bruschetta from the fresh tomatoes or leftover tomatoes, and I'm gonna mix it up with a little bit of salt, cheese, Parmesan cheese there, salt, black pepper to taste, and don't forget the olive oil. Just mix it all up and leave that aside while I slice up some leftover baguette, get them buttered up, and toast them in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit to about 5 minutes. And yeah, they get all toasty and they're ready to eat. Once the butter bread slices are in the oven, I'm gonna get the pan hot and ready and put a little bit of ghee in and sear the chicken, and then start with the zucchini noodles and garlic.